pipiliin po kayo. Anong po mas gusto nyo? Branded po or ba o generic?
Branded.
Generic, ma'am.
Branded.
Mas maganda po yung generic.
Branded.
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 Siyempre, branded. Branded.
Every day, people face the choice between branded and generic medicines. But is the price difference worth it? Let's hear what the experts and patients have to say.
As a pharmacist, what is the difference between generics and
Branded po.
the difference between the two drugs? So, kapag when we say generic, kasi diba, basically it contains active constituent, or basically the drug, it contains the drug, the drug product. In branded, of course, it also contains the drug product. It's just that when we say generic, generally there are no marketing studies that have been conducted. There are no extensive researches that have been conducted in generics as compared to branded medications. Where in branded medications, extensive studies have been conducted. Like,
Okay, for the public, syempre parang ang tingin natin sa generic versus the branded is parang kung ba yung price, di ba? Yung price is syempre mas mahal si branded. And ang, which is ang, in terms of effect naman, is ang pagkakaiba naman nila. Same sila actually ng effect as long as same yung ganun yung generic equivalence niya. Pero ang pagkakaiba lang nila mainly, which is why mas mahal yung branded, is yung patent kasi yung gamot. Sa pag-develop kasi ng new drug is parang meron mga different phases. Yung tinatawag natin na clinical trials. Kaya mahal ang patent ng gamot is kasi mahal ang pagsagawa ng clinical trials, yung sa pagbayad pa ng materials, processing, tapos yung mga bayaran mo pa na volunteers for the trials, mahal talaga. Kaya medyo pricey talaga yung process compared to generic. Pero generic tayo is once na yung patent na yun is may certain period lang kasi siya of validity is once na nag-expire na siya is pwede nang gumawa yung other companies na generic counterpart ng gamot. Kaya nagkakaroon ng generic drugs which is mas abot kaya compared sa branded drugs.
would you recommend generic medicines to others?
So why or why not?
It should be recommended. Actually, that is the very essence of RE 6675, diba? The Generics Act of 1988. You have here, in that specific provision of the law, generic names should be used at all times in different prescribing activities of the doctors and dispensing activities of the pharmacists. Because but in pharmacologically speaking, generics and branded have no difference. It's just that the marketing studies is just that the price, diba? But generally they have no difference. Because if you can remember in pharmacy, we have bioequivalency studies. When we say the two drugs are bioequivalent, meaning they have the same active ingredient, meaning they will also produce the same therapeutic effect, the same expected effect, every effect will be the same. It's just that different ang sila maybe ng formulation, ng manufacturer, and others. So we should stop the notion that generic drugs are less effective as compared to the branded medication.
Of course, I would recommend generic kasi since is mas practical siya economically. Same rin lang naman yung makukuha mo na effect compared sa branded since hindi naman sila papasa sa FDA if kung hindi naman talaga within the standards yung efficacy at safety ng gamot.
Our experts shed lights on the facts. Generics offer the same therapeutic benefits as branded medicines without the extra cost of branding and advertising.
Alam mo yung notion na parang mas effective siya, ganun.
Sa atin lang naman yun. Sa amin na mahirap. Kasi kapag kaya yung generic isa sa atin. Sigurado.
Siguradong mas
Branded, mabilis mabisa agad. Yun lang, mahal lang pag branded. Mabisa yung yung mabilis mag-epekto sa katawan.
kasi po pag branded mas dala po siya mas mahal.
Siyempre, mahal siya pero yung ano niya, yung visa niya mas ganun.
Misconception can hold people back from saving money without compromising their health. Trust in generic starts with understanding the rigorous testing and trusted producers.
Why do some patients hesitate to use generic medicines?
Despite their therapeutic equivalence.
Because the number one consideration is the price. Because we have this notion, diba, that kapag mura, hindi masyadong maganda, diba? So ganyan, kapag mahal, ay effective yan, ganyan. Okay, so, but we should debunk that notion because primarily they are just the same, diba? Number two, manufacturer. It is really dependent on the manufacturer, diba? Even if it is branded, but if the manufacturer, for example, is not CGMP compliant, if it is not, for example, a good, reputable manufacturing company, and then the product, diba, would normally, of course, magiging pangit din yung products, diba? Pero, so you choose the manufacturer also, diba? Kaya usually, I suggest, yung mga, for example, for generics, I would still suggest to patients na Opharex, diba? That is a good manufacturer, diba? Pascual Laboratories, you have RightMed, diba? That's also a good one, diba? Good, they produce good products, even though generic and way lot cheaper as compared to branded, okay? And the number three factor, of course, you have patient values, diba? Patient values. If you think na kapag maganda, kasi ganun yung paniwala natin, if mahal, maganda, ganyan, o dibilin mo yun, diba? You know, the placebo effect, diba? Syempre, kung mahal yung gamot ko, so gagaling ako dito. O yun palang nakakagaling na, placebo effect, diba? That's why, if you're going to choose medications, it is dependent upon the patient because you have to consider the price, the manufacturer, and then also you have their, the patient value. Ayun. But generally, they are just the same, diba? It's just that the pre-notion na kapag mahal, mas mas maganda. Ganun. And of course, we should debunk that.
Hindi kasi magandang notion sa ating mga Pilipino is pagdating sa quality is parang ang tingin natin is mas, ang perspective natin is mas mahal, mas maganda. Tapos, worst case scenario is pag mura is parang walang bisa.
Despite the myths, generics are proven to be just effective, safe, reliable as their branded counterparts.
How do you ensure patients are comfortable?
In generics over branded options.
Of course, number one is we have to inform the patient. As pharmacists, that is our obligation. Diba? In RA 6675, actually, there is a provision there mandating the pharmacist to, it is the duty of the pharmacist to inform the patient what are the different generically equivalent products available in the pharmacy. So that's number one, diba? You have to educate the patient, to inform the patient. Ay, meron pong ganito, diba? Kaya dapat, hindi, ideally ganun dapat. Kaya kasi the setting, mahirap. I understand that is really very difficult. But if you want to promote the use of generic drugs, you must also inform the patient na meron po kami available na ganito, mas mura, pero ganun din naman po yung effect because they are just the same. Same with the branded. Ay, ano pong prefer nyo? And then you let the patient decide.
Responsible tayo para i-educate yung ating mga clients or patients or customers na kung efficacy nito ng safety and efficacy nito ng usapan is simple lang ang kayang offer ng generic drugs compared sa branded version.
Kaya ano na po pipili? Branded po or generic?
Para mas marami yung nabibili, ganun generic yung
Generic na lang affordable, mura pa. The same.
hindi. Generic na lang pala.
Mas maganda po yung generic.
Generic. Pagkapos ka
The right information, more people are choosing generics for their affordability and effectiveness. It is a smart choice for your health and your wallet.
Next question is that what message would you give to someone hesitant about you should the notion that generic medicines are less effective to as compared to branded should be left behind. It should be avoided na because as pharmacists, diba, we know that generic medicines are also equivalent. It contains the same active therapeutic ingredient na present sa ating mga branded medications. That's why to the public, diba, syempre, ayun, sabihin natin alam sa kanila na parehas lang po yan. Okay, so they will generate the same effects because it contains the active ingredient. And always look at the active ingredient. Always look at the drug, diba? Kung ano yung drug na naka-prescribe, diba? Kahit ano yung brand, diba? Kahit sino yung manufacturer, it will just be the same. It will produce the same therapeutic effect and same benefit.
Masasabi ko lang is wag ka magdududa as long as registered naman yung gamot na bibili mo yung generic ganun. Tapos mas kung tutusin na yung cost effectiveness niya is wala naman na mas cost effective si generic compared naman kay branded.
What would you say to patients who believe generics are less effective? I've said a while ago that it is really the main consideration of the patient, the price, diba? But generally, price lang po yung pinagkaiba nila, marketing yung pinagkaiba nila, advertisement, commercials yung pinagkaiba nila, yung generics wala tayo masyadong makita commercial. That's why mas mura sila kasi hindi sila gumagastos sa mga commercials, sa mga advertisement, diba? Hindi sila masyadong gumastos sa research, product development, as compared to sa branded. So, ayun lang yung pinagkaiba nila, and we should always tell the patient that, diba? And that difference would not significantly affect their health, diba? It would not significantly affect their therapeutic outcomes.
Magbasa kayo ng mga research, tapos lalo na especially yung mga comparative study. Tapos makikita nyo naman dun na makikita nyo yung comparison ng safetyness and effectiveness nung generic versus branded. Kaya yun, just in case na open kayo for persuasion na parehas ang kayang ibigay na effect ng generic laban sa branded.
The next time you're at the pharmacy, remember to consider generics. Generics are not just an alternative. They are a smart, effective choice for your health and wallet. Discuss your options with your doctor and pharmacist to make an informed choice that fits your budget and health needs.
Sa pera, yung sa generic. Pero pag yung may extra ka, siyempre branded na.
Go!
Break the stigma. Choose wisely. Generics or branded? Ask your pharmacist.
Okay lang yan kahit hindi siya branded. As long as the same naman ang function. Kung halimbawa ito para sa sakit na ganito, ganyan, ganyan.
Same healing power, lower price tag, why pay more?
Hindi kailangan mahal ang bibilhin mong gamot. Kasi paano kung you are not rich, you don't have enough money. So be practical. Kung isa lang naman ang function, basta magamot ka, ganun bibilhin mo.
Why fear the name when the results are the same?
I guess po kung i-consider mo naman na same naman yung mga effects ng drug, then I'd have to go with generic po because lesser po yung price niya.
So generic. Tested, trusted, therapeutic. That's generics for you.